Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 altcoins to potentially buy right now. In the past 24 hours, the market is down about 2.86%. We see our top gainer here in the past 24 hours, Euro Finance, which is up about 30.37%. We see our highest volume here at Bitcoin, 34.8 billion in volume, Ethereum at 25.8 billion. Bitcoin's down about 3.2%, Ethereum 2.4%, Bitcoin trading at around 46,000 right now, Ethereum close to 3,900 or so, and we see altcoins are all pretty much trading down a percent or two or up a percent or two depending on which one we're looking at. As we can see here, Binance Coin, Solana, Cardano, Ripple all down about 1 or 2%. We see a green coin right here, Avalanche is up 6.3%. We see Polygon up about 1%. The meme coins are both down. Doge is down 2.5%. Shiba is down about 5% or so. We see another green one down here, Uniswap, up about 6% or so, and then a couple more red ones down here, about 2% or so, depending on which one we're looking at. So the market is pretty much split. Some are green, some are red, depending on which one you're looking at. Nothing major is going on right now in the markets. They're kind of going down a little bit or up a little bit basically, and now we're going to be watching what's going to happen over the weekend. Is the market going to recover a little bit, or are we going to continue to have a sell-off due to news that comes out obviously in the outlets, I guess you could say. So guys, before we get into this rest of this content, if you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video, and as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you currently buying. So the first altcoin is going to be Uniswap, Uni. So this one is up about 5.98%, almost 6%, trading at $15.41. In the past week, this one's up 1%. Past month, we're up down 29%. And then on the 1 year chart, obviously, it's up over 308%. So last December, this was trading at around $4. We continue to hit highs here throughout January, February, going all the way up here into May. So at May, we hit a peak at $45. That was the all-time high area that we saw with Uniswap. From that $45 area, we dropped down all the way down here to about $14 or so in July. So big, pullback with the market. This is when the market kind of pulled back overall. Then we went from $14 to highs again over $30 or so. So over 100% gains were made, from the low to the high right here. And now we're back to pretty much where we were trading here in July at the lows, around $15 or so. So hopefully we bounce off of that. If we do not bounce off of that, we could potentially go under $10. And so under $10, that could definitely be a great opportunity to buy the dip on this coin as well. But overall, in the past year, 308% is a pretty decent gain. Market cap currently at 9.7 billion, so significantly lower than it was a few months ago. Volume is up 50% higher than usual at 285.3 million. We see our typical hold time at 29 days. It is ranked the number 15 coin, 68% buy activity, 32% sell activity currently on Uniswap. Uniswap is obviously an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that's designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum tokens. There is no order book or central facilitator on Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged through liquidity pools that are defined by smart contracts. So something to keep in mind, obviously, is DEXs have a range of risks, so do your research, and permanent loss can result from pairing a more volatile cryptocurrency with a less volatile one in a liquidity pool. Bugs in smart contracts can be exploited, and anyone can create a token, so watch out for rug pulls. Obviously, that is something that we always watch out for, especially as we're looking at things online. That's a huge thing right now. A lot of scammers are out there, so definitely something to be careful of. But Uniswap has so much potential just to get back up to the all-time high area, about a 200% opportunity, so 2x opportunity just to get to the all-time high area, and that would bring it to around a $30 billion market cap if that was to happen. So plenty of upside right now. We're hoping for that bounce. That's what we're going to be looking forward to in the next few weeks, obviously next few months or whatever it happens. Waiting for that bounce, guys. So that's the first altcoin. Second altcoin is going to be Luna, also known as Terra. So Luna's up down about 1.5% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, we're up 6%. We're trading at $64 almost. In the past month, we're up 48%, with highs up here of about $77 at one point. So that was the all-time high area that we saw here on December 8th, which was actually about a week ago or so. So even though the rest of the market pretty much pulled back down in November, it pulled back down and then shot on up, actually. Meanwhile, everything else kind of continued to go lower and lower. Here on the 1 year chart, obviously this coin is up over 11,922%, making some significant gains. If you were an investor of Luna last year in December at 53 cents, you'd be pretty much rolling in the dough right now. If you had $1,000 invested pretty much at 1,000% return, that's a $10,000 return. So at a 11,000 return, $1,000 would have turned in over $100,000, which is a huge gain, obviously. So Luna continued to go higher here until about March. consolidated sideways, pulled back down, traded sideways, and then pretty much took off in July into the rest of the year. It's just been going up, up, and up. So we're waiting now for, all-time high areas once again. We see the market cap 24.2 billion. Volume is flat like usual, and then Luna just continues to go higher and higher. Can Luna continue this movement on up? Especially if we were to get back into a bullish type market, I believe that Luna could push on higher. But with this bearish market, it's kind of holding it back. It's not letting it have its full course right there. So if we do get back into the bullish area, I could easily see all-time high areas once again, potentially even $100 on Luna. So definitely something that we're going to be keeping a very close eye on in the going throughout the rest of December and into the beginning of 2022 for a potential run on Luna once again. So that's our second altcoin. And then last but not least, the number 3 coin on our list is going to be Iota. So Iota here is down about 5.5%. In the past week, this one's up about 1%. In the past month, we're down 23%. And then on the 1-year chart, obviously, we're up 241%. So this coin was trading at around 32 cents here in December. We hit all-time highs first here in February at 148, pulled back down, and then went all the way up to about $2.53 in April. That was the official all-time high area that we hit for the year. Pulled back down with the market, obviously all the way down here to lows of about 59, 60 cents. From that area, we did make over 100, close to 200% or more, depending on when you bought in on the coin. But about a 200% gain in a matter of about 2 months or so. Pulled back down here at around 120, and we've been trading there for a while, and now a slight pullback once again, bouncing off of the previous support. Obviously, as a previous resistance area has become new support levels, that's exactly what we see here around this $1 range. So the $1 range is going to be our support on Iota. If it goes below that area, obviously we're going to keep on going lower down to about under 90 cents, possibly even 85 cents or so. And then obviously if we can get down to under 60 cents, that's when we're going to have to start getting worried that it could continue to go down even lower, because there's no support until we reach about 40 cents after that. Market cap 3.1 billion. Volume is flat around 47.8 million right there in volume. Iota is designed to facilitate microtransactions between devices on the Internet of Things. Iota uses a unique consensus algorithm that requires users to validate 2 transactions in order to make a transaction of their own, which is obviously something that we see in a lot of brokerages use a similar thing. When you sign up for the brokerage and you link a bank account or something like that, they might make 2 small transactions into your bank account for you to see, pretty much tell them how much is in there. That way they know that this is not, like money laundering or something like that. They know that it's you and that you're a real person while you're signing up for that, brokerage account. So Iota definitely has plenty of upside potential, over 100% upside potential, just to get back to the all-time high area, which is bringing this coin to about 7 billion to 10 billion, market cap at the all-time high area if that was to happen. So that's going to be our third altcoin, guys. Now let's get into those crypto bubbles that we like to, discuss here on the channel. This is pretty much just going over last week, or pretty much the past 7 days, what is going on in the market, how is the market looking. We are seeing some green here, which is nice here. We see Avalanche is making a nice move of 33% here in the past week. It's trading pretty decently here, close to all-time highs once again. So Avalanche is making a nice move there. We see Cortex up 34%. We see Dusk Network up 57.5%. Another one here, Urine Finance, which is one we've been talking about. I mean, from 19,000 just about 2 or 3 days ago, now trading at around 31,000. Huge gains right there. Then we have DeFi Money, which is making a nice move here of 41% or so. We even have Helium. So Helium has started to make a move here in the past week. It is up significantly, over $9 or $10 or so from the low. So very nice here, 17.7% in the past week. Continues to move on higher. It's a coin that we talk about on this channel very frequently if you guys are watching this content. So now let's take a look at the Dogecoin meme down here. So the meme coins, guys, Doge still trading at pretty much the same level it's been trading for months and months and months now. 23 billion market cap, pretty much trading at 17 cents. In the past week, we saw the pump and then we saw the dump pretty much. We from 16 cents all the way to highs of 23, pulled back down, literally coming back to areas where we were trading before that hype happened because of Elon Musk pretty much. In the past month, we're down 27%. Past year, we're still up, obviously, with a downward trend going into the end of the year. Soon enough, this coin could be under 10 cents if the bearish market continues to roar, guys. So be very careful trading Doge, as it is a meme and it's going to have its cycles up and down. Then we have Bitcoin down about 3% or so, trading at 46,000, like we said. In the past week, this one's 1.5% down. In the past month, 23%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up 100% or so. And 100% return is obviously nothing crazy. So obviously Bitcoin is underperforming the rest of the altcoins. Altcoins are booming. So, wouldn't it be smarter to get into one of those? Obviously we saw the all-time high area at around 69,000 and then a pullback with the market. under 900 billion market cap right now, 32% of the crypto market space. Volume's up a little bit at 34.8 billion. We see 76% buy activity, 24% sell activity currently on Bitcoin. We're going to be watching very closely. If this goes under 43 to 44,000, could continue to go down even lower. Then we have Ethereum, obviously, one that we actually would prefer to go down because that would give us a great opportunity to buy the dip. In the past 24 hours, this one is down about 2.5% or so. It was trading down here at around $3,600 or so, and now we're trading at close to $3,900. In the past week, we're flat. In the past month, we're down 9.5%. And then on the 1 year chart, up 492%. So a lot better than Bitcoin, about 3 times better than Bitcoin in the past year. Nice performance here on Ethereum. It continues to run on higher and higher. 460.9 billion market cap, 17% of the crypto market space. We see volume is up as well on this one, 25.9 billion, just like Bitcoin, higher volume, 80% buy activity and 20% sell activity on Ethereum. We're hoping that Ethereum continues to have a nice, uptrend going into 2022. So that would be very nice to see. Maybe a reversal going into Christmas and different holidays after that. So, all right, guys. So those are going to be the 3 altcoins, and that is what the market is doing right now. If you go ahead and smash that like button for me, let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Speak to your financial advisor before investing and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.